Even the church was losing their mind trying to keep up with culture. So at the inception of Center for Biblical Unity, my kids were in high school and college. I found them coming home from school, calling with questions that I just couldn't answer. I wasn't equipped. I didn't learn the answers to those things in Bible study. My oldest was a social work and psychology major, and I didn't know how to think biblically about these things that she was learning. She had studied apologetics in high school and was even asking, where are the cultural apologetics? I know how to defend for, find the evidence for Christ, but not answer critical theory or all these other things that I'm learning about. Our suburban Texas school district blew up in 2020 with DEI. Even the church was losing their mind trying to keep up with culture. I just felt this urgency, especially for our younger one who was still in high school, to protect and build up the biblical foundation that she had before sending her off to college. Honestly, I felt helpless. I thought we had laid a biblical foundation, but I realized I was the one that wasn't equipped to answer the questions that were flooding in. I was reacting to their questions rather than responding peacefully. From the beginning, I watched every single All the Things episode and every live stream that was put out. The more I listened, the more I learned. I'm so grateful for the book groups and for the theology classes that built up my confidence and my biblical worldview. I've met so many friends through those classes and those groups that we can still to this day encourage one another in our journeys with our families. My nest is officially empty now. Both of my girls have graduated from college and are now married, but the door is open to have conversations and to discuss these difficult topics peacefully. I have CFBU to thank for that. I'm even leading a women's Bible study group at my church. So much better equipped to have peaceful conversations about difficult topics rooted in the Word of God.
Family, it is because of giving from people just like you that these stories become possible. This year, for our mid-year giving campaign, we are asking you to please prayerfully consider donating $100 to help celebrate our 5-year anniversary. Your giving goes directly to support the Center for Biblical Unity as we travel and speak about the biblical reality of our unity. We can't do this without you. Thank you so much for giving to the Center for Biblical Unity.